All right, so after you kind of get about this far, you can disconnect all the connectors. I don't have them all disconnected. That's on me. You want to take out this motor mount, and it is a 14 millimeter, and it's going to be right up there. You have this top one, which is actually part of your center bolt on your exhaust. That will be a 14 millimeter as well. Then you're going to want to take off the bottom two, which will be a different size. Um, 11/16. You want to make sure that you have a jack underneath here. Get some blocks. You can go right on that oil pan. You do not have to take off the other engine mount yet. And then let's get the light on here. You're going to have a motor mount here and here. Take that off. You're going to want to jack the engine up. And then you should be able to finagle it out like I did, but it doesn't quite come out all the way. And then to get your exhaust off, this is an aftermarket exhaust, but it shouldn't really change much other than maybe your accessibility to this bolt and that bolt. But I was able to access this one quite well. And then straight up from this one on the top side, you'll have a bolt. I don't know if you can see it, but right up there's going to be another one on the top side of this one. And then same thing up there. And you should be able to reach through this right here, where like you're right across from your sway bar link here. You should be able to put your hand straight through. Let's not knock a bunch of rust in here. You should be able to put your hand right through here. And I can't quite get there. Let's see here. I don't know what happened. But oh, that's my arm. There we go. So right through here, you can reach through. You can grab a hold of this bolt that's up here. You should be able to feel all three of them. You should be able to work your way down. Now, since this is an aftermarket exhaust, and that's what I bought the car with, I got to use a wrench on this one and that one, the back two on the bottom, because I can't fit anything in there. But that's fine. And then you just got three bolts back there, them two, and then there's one on the back other side that I can't quite point to because I got no room. There we go. I got my arm through, and then right back here on this back side. Them three. I don't know if these are aftermarket, if these came with the aftermarket exhaust or what, but I got to put a wrench on one side and then do a ratchet on the other. And that'll unbolt that. You'll have your little donut in there, and then yeah, that's how you get your exhaust off. And then after that, I mean, even at this point, if you want, you can take off the other motor mount, and it's that same size. You got one here, you got one there, and then you 14 mil up here, and then on the bottom side, I believe it's just one. If I remember from the last time I took this motor out, and it is just one bolt right down here. So yeah, that's your next step. I'm not gonna get this one out today. I won't even get the exhaust off tonight. Even though it's not that much more work, it's just getting late, and that's where I'm gonna quit. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful. And then after that, you should be able to start disconnecting other parts. This air pump, actually, I'm just gonna fully delete because it's aftermarket exhaust. I don't need it. Then you should be able to take this out. That'll come right out. Won't come right out. That's a lie. It's fun. It's fun, but it's a lot easier to get the exhaust out of the way so you can access the ones on the bottom and then still struggle to get the ones on the top. And then it's just after that, it's just disconnect all of your wires, label them. The ones down on the transmission side, you really want to label because I believe those are almost the exact same looking ones. Then you unbolt your oil cooler lines. They got to come out. I still got to drain my oil and unbolt the bell housing, and then you just slide it out. But yeah, I'll go through all of that. I'll kind of show you where all that stuff is in my next video, hopefully, or maybe not. We'll see. You might have an air compressor on there. I do not have an air compressor. Currently not running an air compressor, but I do know when I throw it in this time, I do want to put it in. See if we can't get AC in here. All right.